G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Are you based in Australia and looking to sell on Amazon? If you are, you're in the right place. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is looking at Amazon Australia and basically doing and running some stats on some of the products you can sell on the Australian Amazon store. All right, so just we're actually on Amazon right now, as you can sort of see here. Now I've just typed in a random product. Right, this isn't a product I'm interested in, by the way. It's just some random product I put here. Now it's very important, especially even if you're selling on Amazon USA or Amazon UK or even Australia, right, you've got to run your research on this. So there's a multiple amount of tools you can use. This is a tool that we've started using now, and I'm going to show you some advantages of using this tool. And by the way, if you do want to find the list of tools that I use in my business, so we have quite a lot of students who use different or varied tools in their business to find the hot products. All right, it's very important. You can't just go eeny, meeny, miny, mo and choose your products that way. Unfortunately, most people, especially a lot of Australians jumping on Amazon, is they just choose products that they're personally interested in, and that's not a way to run a business. All right, it's like playing darts in a pub in the dark with the lights turned off. Okay, it's dangerous. All right, so as you can sort of see here, we've got the stats lined up. Now it tells me quite a few things, right? It tells me the title of the product. Okay, it's got the brand of the product. This is why I love this tool. Okay, has a category, has the best seller rank. All right, so which gives me a lot of information on that particular seller. It tells me the retail price of this. It then tells me, this is really interesting, this is what I love, right? It tells me the net, right, which is basically the FBA fee. Now, what FBA is they basically store your product for you, all right? That's essentially it. They have a big warehouse, they store the product for you in their warehouse, and obviously there's fees in relation to stocking that product, shipping and packing it out to your customers, whether they're in Australia or whether they're in the USA, all right? So we're back here. So you can see it tells us the weight of the product as well. It tells us the reviews of the product and the rating of the products. That's 4 out of 5 stars, 3 out of 9 stars. When you see 3 out of 9, or even 4, you're like, some people are complaining about it. What are they complaining about? Is it the quality, that sort of stuff? So it's good to sort of ask yourselves questions like this, right? And it tells us the revenue that they're doing within 30 days. All right, so this is a 30-day window of revenue. All right, and it's pretty good numbers and good sales as well. All right, so this is why you need tools, guys. By the way, if you want a list of tools, this is a tool that we just started using recently. On this video below, you'll see that we've got the tool there. All right, you better see the tool on the video here. All right, but as you can sort of see here, it gives us everything we need. Now, what I love about this is you can actually track the product, right? So let's say, for example, we're interested in, let's say we're interested in this particular product here, all right, which is 2 pairs exfoliating foot fill, lavender looks like it, right? Profit calculator, you give that a click, and what it does is, let's say you jump on Alibaba, okay, quick search on Alibaba, you find the product, you import the product, let's say it costs us 50 cents, okay, which could be the price, I don't know. And it tells us the shipping cost is probably $4, cost per click $1. You can leave that if you're not going to do any advertising at all. Taxes, I don't think the tax is going to be $4, but you never know. Let's put $3, right? It tells us the estimated profit per month, which is really awesome. And guys, that's really what you want. You want to be able to get some figures like that here and now before you even contact a supplier. So guys, use the tools. They're out there to help you be successful in Amazon. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining us here, and yeah, talk to you. And by the way, if you want to if you actually want to start an Amazon business and actually work on this business and you need help, connect with us today. Below this video, there's a link to our free training, and also speak to one of our team members. We actually have a team who can have a chat with you, who can tell you or basically answer any questions you have regarding working with us and starting an Amazon business. If you're looking for product ideas, if you're looking really on the first steps on how to get started, connect with us today. I've been involved in import-export now for 10 years. Amazon is a great platform for selling your products. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining us. Have an awesome, awesome day, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.